Mawakili msilale, lale lale wakili.
Our demands are that she exits Nakuru chapter today, Nakuru law courts today. If she does not, the Law Society of Kenya Nakuru chapter will boycott her court every day until she is transferred, and in fact until she is removed from this station. We don't want to use the word transferred because we cannot allow transfer of problems to other stations.
If you're not happy to be here, please leave. You can go serve elsewhere, but it is very sad that having signed up for this job and knowing very well that you can be posted anywhere within the Republic, you choose to arrogantly address advocates, their leadership, that you are forced to be here, you never wanted to be here.